If you've been following my journey, you know Google played a huge role in helping me quit my 9-to-5, travel, and make money online. The secret? Traffic. The more traffic you direct to a specific place, the more money you can make. Today, I'll show you some of the easiest ways to do just that. First up, Google Opinion Rewards. It's a quick way to earn small amounts by answering surveys, but let's be real, it won't replace your income. So let's move on to something better. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to make money with Google. Set up a store with a free AI store builder, list products without handling inventory, and drive traffic using Google Shopping or AI-generated blog articles. Unlike TikTok or Facebook, where you need to grab attention, Google Shopping puts your product in front of people who are already looking to buy. Another way to profit? Selling digital products like online courses. Use Google Gemini to find trending course topics, verify demand with Google Trends, and create structured content with AI tools like Gamma.app. Platforms like Teachable help you sell and even improve visibility on Google. A hidden gem is selling spreadsheet trackers. There's huge demand for budgeting and business expense trackers, and AI tools like Julius can generate them for you. List them on a simple AI-built website and start earning passive income. Whatever method you choose, connect your website to Google Search Console to boost your rankings. And remember, making money online isn't about quick hacks, it's about consistency. Stay focused, keep learning, and success will follow. Check out my other video for a step-by-step breakdown. See you in the next one.